Welcome back to the channel. So we have, how many bikes in pieces?
No. That's not a we.
It is a
That
we.
is all a you.
It is a we.
You have done this
Yamaha,
week.
We've got a Triumph that's not finished. There's a Suzuki that's supposed to be disappearing on Saturday.
This
that's in
is-
pieces. And there is a Royal Enfield buried right at the back of there as well.
There is no-
Which is all of us together.
There is no we in this because Monday somebody just had a day where they just undid lots of stuff, started lots of stuff, and then went out for 3 hours riding with the dad and left it all.
Priorities. Anyway, we got all this to do, but Emily has had a bright idea.
I need a bike night.
She's going to bike night. It's her first bike night riding,
Yeah.
and your bike is up the top. You are dying of heat.
All in black.
Yep.
Excellent for a 30 degrees day.
Yep. All UK 30 degrees heat.
Yep.
So
But I want to wear the stuff that protects me, so I have to wear the stuff that suffocates you.
So we get the bikes.
Yep.
Nice little country route out there. I've just actually been to Triumph because a friend I work with has now learnt that I live very close to the Triumph dealer and has discovered that if he orders parts from there, I can pick them up and ferry them all the way to Coventry.
Yes.
So I've just been over there and picked up some grips for his street twin,
It's
I
the
think
same
it's named.
system. The same system I have at Christmas. Click and collect. I click, Joe collects.
Yeah. So I've done that. But while I was over there, they have had a load of people turning up because they're doing a group ride from the dealer.
Oh,
So, yeah.
yeah, because it is best group tonight, and we are a group of two, because that's a group, yes. They'll probably just go down the A5 though,
we're not
and
doing
you want to go down the country roads, don't you?
Yeah. You like the ones I picked.
Oh yeah, lovely.
Why are they parking over there? That's what Emily just said.
I think when you get in, you must get assessed on whether you are considered a good group or not, because it's group night and you're going to get a prize, because we had to come the back route and all around the car park.
I think we're a group.
A group of two?
Yeah. Nice yellow Bonnie coming in, look at that. But yeah.
Some nice bikes.
So we are here.
We have made it.
We've been greeted by some nice people.
We
and
have.
I'm terrible with names.
Oh. Pete.
Yeah,
Pete.
we'll go with Pete.
Pete and his wife.
Yep.
I've been moaned at.
You've been moaned at. I just don't understand why when you're at the front you're like light speed and when you go behind you're like 3 miles behind. But you'll get there, one way or another.
Because you smell and I can smell you from behind.
Big rope. Yeah, that's the answer. Big long bungee rope. But should we go and see what bikes are around and meet some people?
Yeah, sounds like a plan. Joe's picked the one with the sad handlebars.
It's a pre-unit.
Still the sad handlebars.
Why would you not pick a pre-unit? Look, it's motorbikes that haven't been born yet.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ooh, we can have ice cream.
Yes, we are having ice cream.
Joe wants to change his pick and
changed
he's
it.
not allowed.
I've changed the pick,
You're
that's
allowed
my
to
pick.
change pick.
Yep,
You
pre-unit.
made your pick.
No.
No, you made your pick.
My friend Jared would say I could pick that instead.
You made a premature pick. Some ice cream. Have you had a good bite now?
I have. It's very nice. I've had ice cream.
Yes.
I've looked at motorbikes.
Yep.
We haven't filmed a video.
No.
We talked to lots of people.
Yes. Really nice people though. So
Yeah.
it was all worth it. It's been really good. We've enjoyed it.
And you were brave enough to go live on Instagram.
Yeah, I've had a go at that.
How was it?
Strange. Strange because it's, I don't know, you feel more on show than when I'm doing this. It's weird.
Doesn't compute.
Yeah, I think it's because it's almost like a conversation, but it's not quite a conversation. People comment and you try and reply,
Yeah.
but then you're also trying to show them the thing that you're doing. And it's, yeah, wasn't very well thought through, but it was just weird.
No, we just dabbled.
Yeah, gotta try these things.
But yeah, it was just a very nice bikes. I picked my favourite bike just once, immediately. Like,
Four
that
times.
was the best
Four
bike
times he
here.
changed his mind on what he thought was his favourite bike.
And then Emily was like so indecisive.
I picked one, that dark
Yeah.
green, khaki green one.
But
That's my
yeah,
one. Yeah.
seems to be clearing out now.
It
So
does.
I think we'll call it there. We're going to have a quick look around the collection,
Yeah.
show you guys that,
Yeah.
and then a little bit of a ride home.
Sounds like a
And
plan.
then I think we can post-process your ride. How's that?
Sounds good. Shopping now. It's lovely, yes. It isn't, it's not very tall, is it? But it's in the same wide
They're a lot
though.
lighter than modern bikes.
They're lighter
Yes.
than modern bikes, a whole 27 horsepower.
But they'll go as quick.
Yeah,
Well, looks like a bell, like a,
that's the horn.
is it?
Yeah.
It looks like a bell, like a push bike would have.
The light.
Oh, it's
buying it, are you?
lovely. Pardon?
You're buying it, are you?
Financial, you can buy these as projects.
There you go, project.
Yeah, have a look at it, and if you need, need
Yeah.
any help or whatever. what to
It's
do.
very lovely.
brilliant.
I've actually got a display engine you could take home and play with.
So we're making our way out.
I'm a good temperature now.
You nearly bought a bike, didn't you?
That was really nice. That was really nice. Although I need a narrower seat.
Got a Tiger 90.
It was a bit wide. Oh, but yeah, but look at that fantastic through that eye line there. Look at that Tato. Oh,
It's been really nice.
look who's there.
Should we go and get him again?
Go get him again.
See, it's quite funny, isn't it?
What?
We always come out to these places and there's certain people that you just always bump
see.
into.
Oh, thank you. It needs some.
You always bump into certain people, don't you?
It's nice to see you again.
Definitely. Emily's just nearly bought a Tiger 90.
Oh, really?
An
It was
original
lovely.
one.
Oh, really?
Very
Yeah.
shiny.
Oh, was that the one you were looking at down by the
one
ice
you were
cream van?
filming.
Yeah.
I thought you looked a bit taken with that.
Yeah.
It was really
definitely.
nice. But I was just saying the seat was really wide. So like, although it's not a very high bike, I
Yeah.
can't touch the floor
Yeah, that's the
properly
trouble,
because of the
isn't
width
it? Yeah.
of the seat.
Yeah.
We do something about that.
But yeah.
You can always adjust
Oh,
it.
who's
Yeah.
more taken with it?
You've got
Oh, I
somebody
don't
that can
know.
adjust it.
Let's just get Emily on a triumph, innit? But yeah.
No, it's very nice.
But lovely
It
to see
was
you again.
Good, lovely to see you again.
Yeah,
Yes,
it'd be
looking
great to
forward
see you.
We'll see you in the
Yes.
next one.
Yeah, no doubt. Yeah.